If you want to provide extra support for Thunder Buddy 01 Productions, become an official Thunder Buddy superfan. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to exclusive emojis, get a cool badge next to your name, and other cool perks such as shoutouts and priority replies to your comments. Join now with the link in the top of the description.
Alright, so it's approximately 2:20 p.m. Michael texted me at 5 after 2 for severe thunderstorm watch number 270. It was issued at literally 2:03. KW35 has not gone off at all. They're still playing the broadcast cycle. And just look at this. All of northern New Jersey, all of western and central New Jersey is under this watch. Eastern Pennsylvania is also under it, but KW35 does not serve Eastern Pennsylvania. But I don't know what the heck Upton is doing. I just tweeted them asking them if there's an issue with the transmitter because my camera was not even aiming at the radio. Whoops. I just tweeted Upton asking, "Hey yo, is there an issue with KW35?" And no response. I mean, I get that they're busy forecasting severe weather, but like, what good is this gonna do? This is literally just a repeat of what happened in 2017, minus the station being off the air. Like, actually, November 2017 to October 2019. It's essentially a repeat of this. And there they go playing the freaking surf zone forecast. No watching the cycle. I'll make another video if they do decide to tone something, because this is just ridiculous. I've never seen Upton do this. I mean, I can understand like a 1 to 2 minute delay, like they normally do with watches, and I can understand if they waited out 5 minutes, but it's been 15, like literally 15 minutes, and nothing's happened. Like, unreal. I've never seen this. Like, look, I'll even show you. No message. My Motorola, actually the Motorola's been up there for the past few months because that's its permanent spot now. But like, it's a station that serves one of the largest cities in the world and is not alerting anyone for severe weather whatsoever. Like, what the hell? Like, what next? Is all of Upton stations gonna do that? Watch, I'm gonna jinx that too. Alright, Mount Holly just issued a severe thunderstorm warning. There we go.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County, eastern Sussex County, in the northwestern New Jersey, north central Somerset County, until 7:30 p.m. Thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Raging Hills near Franklin to Narrow back down to near Long Valley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Okay, you're not saying where that's going.
Radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations affected include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Otakon, Royal Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kilmore, Salem, Lucy, Butler, Wooden, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mendon, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, and Riverdale. People at the Morris County mega sites should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 26 and 48. Interstate 2 between mile markers 26 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
Another SVR, here we go.
To an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. 888-318. Vehicles through flooded roadways.
I believe this one is covered by WNGN, and really, this stupid frickin' TV being a pain in the nuts as usual. I was right.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clearbrook Park, or 11 miles south of New Brunswick, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Manalapan, Jamesburg, Highttown, Cranberry, Roosevelt, Princeton Meadows, Yorktown, Brownville, Twin Rivers, Whittingham, Robertsville, Morganville, West Freehold, Clearbrook Park, Dayton, Freehold, Spotswood, and Helmetta. This includes New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and Monmouth.
Staff about this.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Morris County, Northeastern Somerset County, North Central Middlesex County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middlesex, or near Plainfield, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, South Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over downtown over West Chester, 30 miles per hour. Other storms were developing northeast into lower Montgomery County, and they all become 13 and 15. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 130 and 134.
Alright, back to WTAM we go. Yeah, WTAM relayed the freaking Pennsylvania warning. They didn't even relay the freaking New Jersey one, which is weird because they serve New Jersey. They were in New Jersey. Why did they relay the freaking Philadelphia warning? Like, jeez. Bro, why did those two only go off?
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm.
I'm hearing crossfade. I'm hearing crossfade.
Curtin County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County, southwestern Somerset County, southwestern Monmouth County, southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and
I need the thing for this.
Until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rickboro, or 11 miles west of Trenton, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60.
Yeah, I'm hearing a ton of crossfade right now. I gotta investigate this.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines.
Alright, I'm not getting anything here. Come on. KDN's going off. Come on, 1680.
Was located over Rickboro, or 11 miles west of Trenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Hopewell, Allentown, Langhorne, Iveland, Roosevelt, Rocky Hill, Washington Crossing, Skillman, Princeton Meadows, Windsor, Kingston, and Plainsboro Center. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A. Pennsylvania.
Bruh.
Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 76. For your Bravo building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
Eastern Massachusetts, Boston, cloudy, temperature 63, windy 60. And at Midland, cloudy, temperature 65, wind southeast at 5, pitch from southeast Massachusetts, and Norwood, cloudy, temperature 67, wind calm. And Rudolph Observatory, temperature 64, wind southeast at 6, Jersey and Delaware, New Hampshire, and Keene, cloudy, temperature 62, wind calm.
Well, no wonder the 300 didn't go off. I'm getting freaking WXL 93. Literally at the worst possible time, too. Because all the action, if I pull up the radar real quick, I'm going to try and do this before my phone battery dies. Yeah, like right now, all the action is down in central and southern New Jersey. I hope that Upton's going to at least issue something for there. But all the action is down south, whereas over in Worcester, there's like nothing. There's nothing over in Worcester. I don't know how my 300 up there is getting WXL93 over KWO35, which, keep in mind, KWO35, actually, you know what? Before I make a liar out of myself, hey Siri, how far is New York City from here?
It looks like New York is about 66 miles away by car.
Alright, so give or take around 50 miles. Hey Siri, how far is Worcester, Massachusetts from here?
It looks like Worcester is about 114 miles away by car.
Alright, so I'm getting a station that's roughly 90 to 100 miles away, better than I'm getting a station in, like, literally to my southwest from 50 miles away. And that's just on the freaking 300. If I pull up, actually, you know what? I'm going to make it at least a little bit brighter in here so you can actually see. So, now that you can actually see, my 400 is just gone. I freaking... The WL120 is getting WXL 93 better. Oh, it's Discord. Nothing to worry about. If I move my Elite Traveler, my 993 out of the way so I don't step on him with my fat legs.
Or near Monroe, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour.
You can hear the KWO35 is coming in crystal clear on the Motorola, but you can hear crossfade from WXL93. Now over here on the 996,
Curious Joel, Putnam Valley, Woodbury, Washingtonville, First Cliff, Highland Falls, and Vales Gate. This includes the following reader. 10 site, Anthony Wayne Rec Center.
this is getting KWO35, but you can also hear the crossfade from WXL93. Let's try out the other radios real quick. Let's see how the Recom R500 is doing. That's channel 4. Miraculously getting WXL93. I don't know how. Let's see the Shercom real quick.
Area. Temperatures were between 64 and 70. And New Hampshire.
Alright.
Saturday, partly.
Shercom's not really getting much. Let's try the SFA 1150.
Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30
This is getting WXL93 crystal clear. What the apparently this wasn't even going off from where it was pointing, so I must have messed up when rearranging. Crazy idea. Let's try the running snail. This is getting... This is just barely getting WXL93. What the...
and overnight.
Wow, I've never seen tropo like this happen during a severe weather event. That is a freaking first. Like, you've seen me go outside in DX. You've seen me pick up stations from Philly to, like, Philadelphia to up to Hartford. And that's just on AM and FM. This is weather band we're talking about. Freaking WXL93 is coming in like a freaking local on the freaking SFA 1150, and I'm not even near there. What the heck? That is the biggest bra moment I've ever seen. Actually, you know what? So, depending on where I have my ER310, it's literally a fight between WXL93 and KWO35. What the heck? This is just... If this tropo... What is this, Mount Holly? Oh, cancel update severe thunderstorm warning. But if this tropo lasts through the night, and I miraculously get some warnings for WXL93's area, I will be in shock. Because I just went outside earlier. I could not get WXM60 whatsoever. I got WNG575 up in frickin' New Hampshire. I got frickin'... You just saw, I'm receiving WXL93 like a frickin' local for some reason. Like... This has turned more into a rant than it's turned into an EAS compilation. I've gotten like 4 or 5 EAS alerts. One of them failed. Head ass. Like, bruh, I have not seen this happen once.
North central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Luna, 11 miles west of Philadelphia, moving at 30 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour in Ocean Riverside Channel.
now we wait for WNJN to go off.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, till 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Concordville, or Westchester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Chester, West Bedford, Evan, Westtown, Fulcroft, Swarthmore, Paulsboro, National Park, East Lansdowne, Swedesboro, Burton, Darby Township, Cheney, Elam, Chelsea, Great Idyll, Chester Township, Gibstone, and Drexel Hill. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 2, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 17, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 21 and 23, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 346 and 350, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 20, Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and Gloucester, New Jersey.
Effective until 9:47 p.m.
Wednesday night, west winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming north to northwest. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, central Camden County, southeastern Worcester County, north central Gloucester County, Burlington County, southern Monmouth County, southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the bottom extending from New Orleans down.
Really? You suck.
30 miles per hour. Tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
for you know who to go off. Oh jeez, come on. Yikea, those tones are long.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, central Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, north-central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, till 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Inleys down to Camden, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Clinton, Camden, Long Branch, Gloucester City, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, Gresham, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Willingboro, Voorhees, Medford, Eaton Falls, Lindenwold, and Lumberton. People at Burlington County major sites should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 355 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 40, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 64, Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4, Martin State Parkway between mile markers net 8 and 106. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging wind.
There's the remote.
How to find
Alright. Flash flood warning got issued by Mount Holly now, so let's we'll see what WTTM relays, because it's for Burlington. Bro, right as I stop recording, come on now. of message headers. What the heck? This is why you don't cross wires. WTTM.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 9:17 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Yutton, Palmyra, Folcroft, Swarthmore, East Lansdowne, Ben Franklin Bridge, Center City, Kensington, and South Philadelphia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 9 and 33. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 342 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey near mile marker 3. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Screw KBN.
Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:15 p.m.
Is 1350 gonna go off? Nope.
Vehicles responsible. Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines responsible. Locations and paths include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Jersey, Salem, Chester, Bedford, Orange, West Bedford, Durant Rural, Lindenwood, Belmore, West Salisbury, Goodman, Clayton, Durant, Folsom, Fallsboro, and Magnolia. The Gloucester County legislation to safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 19. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 338 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 35. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 37 and 44. Area traffic can move to the exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Alright, looks like I won't be going for Baltimore this time. I will be going for Monmouth.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monmouth
severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County. The city of Baltimore, effective until 10:56 p.m.
Alright. Looks like I got WBAL after all. Okay, looks like Baltimore's going first.
A flash flood warning has been issued for Baltimore County and the city of Baltimore, effective until 1:05 a.m.
You really used the Mnet for that. Fuck you. Alright, now we wait for you-know-who. Jesus H. Christ! You took long enough! If it's fucking EMNet, I'm gonna be pissed.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, and the city of Baltimore, effective until 11:01 p.m.
Fuck you, Baltimore.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Washington, Anne Arundel County, Howard County, Montgomery County, Prince George County, Arlington County, Fairfax County, and the city of Falls Church, effective until 11:15 p.m.
Little Egg Reef,
Okay, what the f***? I have my camera recording.
Reef, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, Lavalette, Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Little Egg Inlet, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach and Brigantine. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the follow.
Okay, I don't know what the heck my camera was thinking. I pressed record. For some reason, it just decided. This is what happens when you're too lazy to turn on your cable box.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until midnight. At 11:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Seaside Heights to near Beach Haven west to near Wading River, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Barba, Get, Hamilton, Brigantine, Absecon, Wena, Egg Harbor City, Tuckerton, Seaside Heights, Weymouth, Surf City, Fort Republic, Elwood Magnolia, Wading River, Pomona, Mays Landing, Brookville, Bass River State Forest, Bastille, and Lisbon. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 39 and 77. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 9 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, and Ocean.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Lower Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Manasquan inlet to Frederick Island, Delaware, until 3 a.m. At 1 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Great Egg Inlet to 7 nautical miles southeast of East Point to 8 nautical miles west of Rehoboth Beach, moving east at 20 knots.
Just trying to.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2SB, Brown Hill Light, Buoy 4SB, Buoy 3SB, Keystone Open, Deepwater Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Ridge, Overflow, The Lump, 28-mile wreck, Brigantine, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet and Rehoboth Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Southwest winds surrounding. The forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
I literally imported every single video that was on this camera. Are you kidding me?
Switch stop!